Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to add YouTube video to Figma, your Figma project. So guys, open your Figma and account. You have two options as you can see here, new design file and new Figma board. What you have to do guys, just click new design. And after that guys, click this option as you can see here. Click this option guys, file, and click new Figma. This is option. And after that guys, go to the YouTube video you add and click copy file and click here paste. And after that guys, click allow and click paste. This is video guys, you want to add it on your Figma project. Just you can drag this one or just copy this video and go to your project here and click paste here this video. As you can see here guys, you can add it successfully. And you can add the title, for example, here, and you can add it there, anything you want to do, and you can add it file and the title, description, any you want to do, guys. This is how you can do, guys. I have this video for you. See you on another video soon. Keep watching. Subscribe to my channel for more content.